Hi everyone, I'm Chen. Welcome to Flyingvoice. Previous video we have talked about the VoIP. Today we would like to introduce another similar digital communication technology called the Voice over Long-Term Evolution. VoLTE is a specific type of the VoIP service designed into the LTE standard, which enables users to make a voice call while using the LTE data network at the same time. VoLTE is not new for us. It has been well supported in our mobile phone for a few years. Here, I summarize 4 major differences between the VoLTE and VoIP. First one, connecting media is different. Apparently, VoLTE is designed for the LTE network and available on the LTE and the 5G mobile network. According to the VoLTE voice quality control, there is a dedicated bandwidth for the voice calls. Meanwhile, VoIP can run over any internet connections, including the Wi-Fi, broadband, or cellular networks. Second one, voice codecs are different. A codec will convert an analog voice signal to digital encode signal at transmitter. Later, decode digital version to analog at receiver. Codecs are designed for the high qualities and different codings of voice. Different codecs have different sound quality, require different bandwidth and computation. Third one, operating conditions are different. When using VoLTE device, it is required the device supports VoLTE and a compatible SIM card. When using VoIP functionality, taking Cloud PBX as an example, we need to assign the SIM accounts to the VoIP device and configure the device registered to the Cloud PBX. If the device needs to call any DID number, Cloud PBX needs to provide additional SIM trunk or PSTN addressing, which may require additional cost. Last one, application scenarios are different. VoLTE come up as an alternative solution for the POS line replacement. Here, we saw a few simple VoLTE devices in the market, which did not support the VoIP function. They can replace the voice services of the POS line. Due to the limitation of VoLTE, it may not have a good support for the long, fast, and modern data call. But it is still a suitable alternative for the applications in the emergency call systems. The applications like the alarm, modern, fast, VoLTE is not suitable for this case because the voice codecs in the VoLTE requires more compression. There will be more risk to fail the alarm, fast, and modern call. And VoLTE is managed by the telecom providers. It is hard to add features on the VoLTE to solve these problems. In this case, VoIP technology is more flexible and open for the secondary development, as long as the development is compatible with the VoIP platform. There is some improvements for the alarm, fast, and modern call performance over the VoIP. Overall, different technologies in this market have their own suitable application scenarios. There is no one product that can meet all the needs of the POS replacement. Therefore, more flexible solutions from Flyingvoice can gain the market favor. Let me introduce our all-in-one POS replacement device, LM115-2. It integrates the built-in LTE modem, battery, and regular ATA functions. It supports both VoLTE and VoIP at the same time. It is a game changer for the POS replacement market. No matter what hardware requirements you promote, we can find a suitable hardware for your POS replacement solution. Meanwhile, we are offering the future account of the Flyingvoice AWS Cloud Device Management. We want to use our years' experience to help your own POS replacement migrate to the VoIP or VoLTE smoothly. If you want to know more details about what we offer, please check the flyingvoice.com. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.